Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, I will tell you how to lock your Facebook profile. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe our channel for daily interesting tech tutorials. Your Facebook profile is your private space on social media. Those not on your friend list cannot look into, share, or download your profile photos and posts. It also restricts the third party from seeing the posts on your timeline. Stay vigilant and follow all the right steps to lock your Facebook profile for your privacy and safety. So open Facebook app, click on Menu, click on Setting. Then under the Audience and Visibility section, click on Profile Locking. Then click on Lock Your Profile, and your profile will be locked. If you don't see this option, don't worry, make sure you have updated your Facebook app in Play Store. But if you still don't get this option, then click on Menu. Click on Help Center. Now click on Search Bar, and you will see second option in popular question, that is, click on Lock Your Facebook Profile. Click on Lock Profile. Then click on Lock Your Profile. Now your profile will be locked. If you have any questions or facing any problem, feel free to comment.